Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsubishi. And I'm an accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, tara samahan niyo ako, i-update ko kayo sa construction ni Allegra Garden Place. Okay po? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So right now, nandito ako kay Prisma Residences. Ngayon i-update ko kayo sa construction ni Allegra Garden Place. So before I start with the construction update, let me first discuss with you kung quick information about Allegra Garden Place. So Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay, in Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. Ngayon kung familiar kayo kay Rizal Medical Center and also yung flyover natin, Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market. Makikita nyo sa right side, merong ongoing construction doon. Wherein dito po, dalawang high-rise building. So, ito makikita ninyo dito, papakita ko po sa inyo, is yung current construction update. So, at first, yung unang-unang, yan po yung entrance, that's Pasig Boulevard. Okay, that's Pasig Boulevard. Yung way na pataas, that's going to Shaw Boulevard. And yung pababa, ito po yung pagka sa intersection, going mag-right turn ka, papunta na siyang elevated U-turn na papuntang Market and BGC. So, may isa lang ang pasukan nila and then nagsa-separate siya ng dalawang gate. So, meron separate gate for Prisma Residences. Ito po si Prisma Residences. And then, meron separate gate for Allegra Garden Place. So, ito na yung current construction ni Allegra Garden Place. So, ito po yung first building natin. Yan, si Amina Building, na ang original turnover niya para sa mga naunang nag-reserve is by July 2024. So, starting September yan. Dito, occupy na po yan. Okay? So, right now, I think nasa 50th floor na siya. And then, ito yung next building natin, second building natin. This is the Soraya Tower, Soraya Building, and I think nasa 40th floor na siya. Okay? So right now, meron tayong mga existing promo na nag-extend yung turnover date. Nakagandahan po kasi kay DMCA Homes is pagka the longer the turnover, mas mababa yung monthly down payment. Kaya kung makikita ninyo, explain ko mamaya sa other video ko pagdating sa yung mga sample competitions natin para sa mga units na in-offer natin dito. Okay? So right now, ayan. So makikita ninyo full blast yung ating construction dito po para po kay Allegra Garden Place. So dito po yung amenity floor niya, and nakikita niyo yan, naka-elevate na yan. That's the elevated garden. And yung sa ilalim niya, yung covered court natin. Okay? So napakaganda and napaka-accessible din itong project na to. Okay, ngayon, if you want to know more about this project po, you may contact me anytime. Nandiyan yung mga numbers ko po, naka-flash to the screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through WhatsApp, through Facebook Messenger, nakalink din sa description down below. Okay, we can schedule a site viewing or schedule an online presentation para po ma-present ko po itong project na to para po sa inyo. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching po, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify po kayo. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. God bless po, stay safe po, bye bye po.